Arcules Edge Cloud solution is another addition to the Arcules Unified Cloud platform that offers an on-site storage option that addresses low bandwidth challenges.
At Arcules, we have a lot of interaction with our customers, and they kept telling us that one of their main problems were a lot of their remote locations that have limited bandwidth. So Arcules created an edge cloud solution that catered for those needs. It also allows them to keep all their existing on-premise video surveillance equipment, their networks, and all of that, but they can still get all the benefit of the Arcules service in the cloud.
Edge Cloud solution was really built for customers with low bandwidth sites. That could be limited bandwidth, that could be high camera count, and also for customers who have legal requirements or corporate policy to keep data on site.
The Edge Cloud solution gives customer an opportunity to incorporate cloud infrastructure into their physical security management.
We have customers that have thousands of cameras on site, and actually during normal operation it uses a fair amount of bandwidth but not an excessive amount of bandwidth. But if an incident happens, there's an earthquake or there's a storm or there's a lot of activity on all the cameras at once, it completely overwhelms the outbound bandwidth of these companies, and it can interfere with the normal day-to-day operations. So having edge-based storage allows us to offset that, so that we can record in mass tons of data and not have to move it out to the cloud and not affect their day-to-day business.
Customers who have limited outbound bandwidth can really benefit. Customers who have sites with limited bandwidth that have other sites that have enough bandwidth to stream video to the cloud, they can actually mix and match local storage and cloud storage.
We designed the Edge solution so that the user can have a seamless experience no matter where the data is being stored.
Real benefit to moving storage to the edge is that we don't continuously use bandwidth on your site to deliver the data to the cloud. And that's fundamentally it. It's a much lower bandwidth consumption strategy. Or we think about the global problem here, the general problem here, and the architecture here as compute, bandwidth, and storage. Or you see us moving towards behaviors where some of the storage is on the edge and some is in the cloud, maybe even based on time or events or importance, right? Then more of the metadata might reside on the edge or more of the metadata might move to the cloud. So you'll be seeing us playing around with where storage is, not paying attention to whether it's cloud or edge. Where is the best place for that data to be to do whatever we're trying to do? As you'll start to see us embracing more edge-based analytics, so device-based analytics, and device-based detections and events.